Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing a softball character. All right, so if you looked at my softball glove video, you could use like a template for the ball. Okay, I'm gonna use this lid and I'm gonna start in pencil because some of the stuff is gonna go in front of and behind the ball, and I need my ball to be very geometric. All right, so what I'm gonna do to start with is I'm gonna come to the top of this right here and I'm going to draw a little line like this. So it comes up, across, and back down. And then I'm going to draw some hair coming out for this character. Just a little kind of curvy S, and then it's gonna come back and come back like that. And there's her hair. And then we're gonna draw an eyeball here. So it's gonna be an oval, like so. And then inside the oval, it's going to have another oval. And then we're gonna have a little light area here. And then we're gonna have some black inside the oval, like that. Then for the other oval, it's gonna be kind of coming behind the first oval. It's gonna be kind of similar, and I made my second one a little bigger. You could make them the same size. You could do all sorts of stuff with it. There we go. Then I'm gonna make a little smiley face. So I'm gonna start where the eyes are about, make a little line, and then it's gonna come down and back up like that. We're gonna put some little kissy lips here, like the letter M. And then we're gonna come here, come down and back up. Then we're gonna go back and up. So this is like a letter L, then it comes around. Then we're gonna put the teeth in, so we'll just draw a line like that. Then we're gonna have another M here for the tongue. And then we're gonna have a little like that coming off the lip. Okay. Then I'm gonna have some laces right here, okay? So I don't wanna see the lace or the lines, so I'm just gonna draw it with pencil, super light. You probably don't see it. And then I'm gonna come here, and it almost looks like hearts coming down. I'm gonna have them go behind her eye a little bit. Just like that. So I can color them in red. There we go. And then I'm gonna have a hand coming right here. So it's gonna start on the inside, come out, kind of like a letter L, and then it's gonna come around, come back on the inside. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw her hand. So it's gonna come up, around like that, and then it's gonna come back here, come out, and it's gonna just kind of wiggle around like knuckles, and then come out and back, okay? And then I'm gonna have it come here. So this will be black and this will be white, and I'll erase this part. So here and here, I'm gonna see the softball. Okay. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot her eyelashes. Some little upside down V's and some upside down V's. Oh, that looks much much girlier. Okay, now for her legs. So for her legs, and actually, I'm gonna draw this black line coming all the way around now because it was just that little part there that I needed to cover. All right, so for her legs, she's got some skinny little legs. I'm gonna draw like a V. Then I'm gonna draw kind of like a little curved line. It's gonna come back like so. And then we've got the tread on the bottom of her shoe. And she's got like, what are those, chucks or something? So this is white up here. And then we've got the laces here. And you know what? I'm gonna draw some little shoelaces in here. Maybe some little X's through here. There's one shoe. Okay, here's the other. So this one, she's coming out this way, and this is coming more straighter down. Not quite straight, but you know, definitely not like this, but it's still got that like V shape. Okay, then I'm gonna draw a curvy line like so, and then it's gonna come back up, and I'm gonna have a line on the bottom, a line coming across, a line coming back like that, and I'm gonna exit, draw some shoelaces. There we go. Maybe kind of make, there we go, that looks better. And then what is she running for? She's running for the ball. Oh. So we're gonna draw a line coming up, and we're gonna draw an oval like that, and we're gonna draw a line coming up like so, another line coming up. It's gonna kind of match up here, there we go. Then we're gonna have a line coming down, across, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm gonna get my template out because it's a softball. You could use a button. Gosh, you could use all sorts of stuff for your circle. And I'm gonna draw a circle. And then I'll have these lines kind of come down. There we go. And then I'm gonna do curvy line, some little V's. Some little V's. And I think I'm gonna do just some detail-y stuff in the mitt here. And on the side of it. Do some detail-y. And I'm sure, you know, all mitts look a little bit different. We'll draw some little cords. There we go. And then we got to put her on the ground. There we are. So this is ground, this is sky. Maybe there's a fence back here. Because don't most softball fields have fences? Put a suggestion of a fence here. We could put a little bird here. We can put some clouds in the sky. Kind of develop the picture a little bit more. Yeah, maybe he's got a little worm hanging out of his mouth. All right, so there we go. There is Miss Baseball or softball player running after a ball. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.